Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to always open Microsoft Edge in private or incognito mode on Windows 11 PC. Incognito mode in Microsoft Edge, also known as in private browsing, allows you to browse the internet without saving your browsing history, cookies, site data, or form entries. When you close the in private window, all data from that session is deleted automatically. However, it does not make you anonymous online, as your internet service provider, employer, or websites you visit can still track your activity. To always open Microsoft Edge in private or incognito mode in Windows 11, you need to first create a desktop shortcut for Edge browser. For that, first click on this one start button, then search for Edge. After that, right click on this one Microsoft Edge entry and select here open file location option. Here you will find a desktop shortcut of this one Microsoft Edge. Press Ctrl C or right click on this one Microsoft Edge shortcut, and here you will find this one copy icon. Just press it to copy. Ctrl C or just right click and select this one option. After that, paste it on the desktop. Now right click on this one Microsoft Edge desktop shortcut. Select here properties option. Now under target, go to the end, extreme end, and put one space, after that hyphen, and then type in private. Like this, just type in private. After that, click on this one apply button, then click on this one OK button. After that, just whenever you will double click on this one Microsoft Edge desktop shortcut, it will automatically open in private window or mode. You can also drag it to this one taskbar, and when you see this one link option, just lift your finger from the mouse, and now this one shortcut will sit on the taskbar. And from now onwards, just click on this one, and you can also open in private mode in Edge browser from taskbar. That's all about this video. Bye.